Hello. This is just a very quick video to show how to do a particular effect with the edge of the buttons. Whatever size you use, I believe this effect will work nicely. So what I'm going to use is the borders menu and the lines menu. I'm going to first go to the borders menu, and you'll see a selection of borders will display once you click the button. And my favorite border to use has been this one. Kind of looks like gold marble. I just like these colors, and the gold tones tend to go with everything. So this is the size it'll be when you first apply it, and of course you can adjust it with these with the size adjusters on the top. So I'm just backing it up, backing it up. I'm using the minus button to back it up. Okay, so that's the first part. Then the second part, you go to the lines menu and you select the accent ring. And this one already popped up green because I was working with green on something else. So whatever color was in there last is the color that's going to remain. Now, the border, you were decreasing it, but when it comes to the accent ring, you want to increase. And you want to go past the dotted line, but not enough to cover up that gold edge. So back it up like that. And then you can even go back to the border and maybe make it a little thicker. Okay, so now I'm going back into the lines menu and back to the accent ring. Oops, wait a minute, what happened? Oh my gosh, what did I do? Oh, there it is. Okay, all right, so now let's make it a little bigger. Okay, so now there's a little more. Let's see. Might have to fiddle with it a bit. Okay, so now I go to the preview to see if I have the right combination. And sometimes, depending on the image, maybe if I make the butterfly a little smaller, I can add a little more gold and then thereby add a little more green. So let me try that because the butterfly is really big. Okay, have I got the image? Let's see, I need the image. The image. Oops, that's the wrong one. Actually, I can take that out because I'm not using it. What about this one? I think I can take that out too. I was going to do something else initially. Okay, so now, so that when I try to make adjustments, I'm selecting the right thing. All right, so now I'm just going to bring that. Yeah, see, that's better. A little bit more. Oh, you know what would be fun? I just thought of this. Let me see. Let me just try something. That butterfly is so pretty, right? You could do like different butterflies. Make it smaller. Ooh, look, it changed the colors. Look at that. I didn't think it would do that. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wait. That's what I like about this. You just I always discover so many things just as I go along. Now I want to see if I could change the angle of this. Oh yeah, that's right. I think I can, right? If you just take it, there should be a way you can. Oh, not that. Oh no, I messed it up. All right. Anyway, I like that idea though. Okay, back to the task at hand. So let me see if I have the right ratio. Okay, so still it's like a whole lot of gold and you can barely see the green. So let me go back to the green is the accent ring. So I need to bring it up a bit more. Okay, so that covers it. Now I made the image smaller, which means I can make the border thicker. But I'm not gonna select from here. I have to go back to the original setup. Okay, so now I'm going to see, here it comes. There it is, there it is. Okay, that should be enough. Now I'll go back to preview to see if you got it away. See that? Isn't that nice? Anyway, that's how it's done. Just like that. So let me see. Just for fun, let me put a message on there. Let's see. Let's find something nice. Lovely font. Good vibes. That'll work. And I shall write happy. Let's see, should it be in one line or two? One line. And as you can see, it's black, so we're going to change it to white so we can see it. And there it is. Look at that. Look at that. That's a lovely design. Anyway, so that's how you do that little effect for the edge of the button someone had asked about. It's a combination of borders. You apply the border first, and then you go into the lines menu and you apply an accent ring, and then you can adjust. You know, there's even a gradient option, which would make the ring two-tone, or you can use a single color option, which is what I did here. Okay, all right. Hope this helps with your designing process and brings about a whole bunch of ideas that people really like and all that good stuff. And thanks for watching. Bye.